If your pool diving board is loose or cracked, you gotta act fast to keep things safe and fun. Okay, so first up, check those mounting bolts. Sometimes they just loosen up over time because of all the water and jumping around. Grab a wrench and tighten them good, but don't go crazy or you might strip the threads. If the board itself has cracks, it's usually time for a replacement because those cracks can get worse and cause injuries. When replacing, measure your old board to make sure the new one fits perfectly and uses the right mounting hardware. Also, keep an eye on the base where the board attaches. If it's rusty or cracked, that needs fixing too before you put a new board on. It's smart to clean the area around the board regularly to avoid slippery spots that could cause falls. Don't forget to test the board gently after any fix to make sure it's solid before anyone goes full cannonball. Safety first, always. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a loose or cracked pool diving board is ignoring the problem because it looks small or they think it will go away. That just makes things worse and dangerous real quick. Another is using the wrong tools or parts when tightening bolts, which can strip screws or damage the mounting system, so always use proper tools and check manufacturer recommendations. The third common issue is not inspecting the entire setup, including the base and surrounding deck, because even if the board seems fine, problems in other parts can cause accidents. Fix these by staying on top of regular inspections, using correct replacement parts, and never cutting corners on safety checks. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people needing work, helping everyone get their projects done right without stress.